Take a look at this new 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 13 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 18 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 4.8-liter engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the dark titanium, cloth seat trim, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.08 ratio and the trailering package, heavy duty. Call 888-817-5744 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.